The given is 42x squared minus 33 divided by 7x plus 7. In-arrange siya into right polynomial. So, 42x squared plus 0x minus 33 dahil wala siyang available variable na magiging magkakasunod-sunod yung polynomial. Ang unang step is 42x squared divided by 7x. So, ang sagot is 6x. And then 6x times 7x is equals to 42x. And then after nun, 6x times 7 is equals to 42x. Ngayon, 0x minus 42x is equals to 42x. And then bring down na lang yung negative 33. At pagkatapos nun, yung 42x divided by natin siya sa 7x. So, ang magiging sagot is 6. And then, 6 times 7x is equals to 42x. 6 times 7 equals to positive 42. Ngayon, 42x minus 42x is equals to 0. And then, change the sign. Yung negative 33 magiging positive and yung positive 42 magiging negative. So, ang pinaka-remainder is negative 9. Number 2, the given is n squared plus 10n plus 18 divided by n plus 5. Dahil naka-arrange na siya sa polynomial, so una, n squared divided by n is equals to n. And then, n times n is equals to n squared. n plus 5 is equals to 5n. Dahil yung n squared minus n squared is equals to 0, so, yung 10n minus 5n is equals to 5n. And then, kagaya din kanina, ibababa lang natin si 18 dahil wala na siyang katapat. And then, ang susunod is 5n divided by n is equals to 5. 5 times n is equals to 5n. And then, 5n minus 5n is equals to 0. And then, positive 18 plus positive 25 is equals to positive 43. And that's the remainder.
Direction. Think of a polynomial with degree 4, then divide it by x plus 5. The polynomial I use is 2 raised to the 4 minus 4x cubed plus 25x squared minus 16x plus 50. The first step of solving this equation is to analyze if it is in order. Just look at the exponent if it is in descending order. Next, divide the dividend to divisor. 2x raised to the 4 divide x is 2x cubed. Then 2x cubed times x is 2 raised to the 4. 2x cubed times 5 is 10x cubed. Change the sign and proceed to addition. Negative 4x cubed plus 10x cubed is 6x cubed. 6x cubed divide x is 6x squared. Bring down 25x cubed. 6x squared times x is 6x cubed. 6x squared times 5 is 30x squared. 25x squared minus 30x squared is 5x squared. 5x squared divide x is 5x. Bring down negative 16x. 5x times x is 5x squared. 5x times 5 is 25. Negative 16x times 25 is 9x. 9x divide x is 9. Bring down 50. 9 times x is 9x. 9 times 5 is 45. 50 minus 45 is 5, so the 5 will be the remainder.